Good morning, lads. Today is the day we're installing the new Borla exhaust. I don't know what to expect because videos don't do sound justice, but I'm excited. I told you mods were coming. This one ain't cheap, so any support you guys can give me, whether you share it, comment, like, I'd really appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. I'm sweating because I'm Irish and in California, so yeah, enjoy the video. And there she is. I need to try fit that back in the trunk. And there is the beauty herself. We'll get a cold start so you can hear what it sounds like stock. And look at all that on top of it. And then we're gonna install that. Right guys, here we are at full-blown performance. We're getting the full Borla Atak exhaust installed on the Challenger. So, you want me to open it or you want to open it?
You can open it.
Yeah, I can
hold
open
the
it.
camera for
Do you have a knife? Or I think I might have a knife. This is probably easier to get a knife, huh?
No, I think you can do it with your hands.
I can do it with my hands?
Yeah.
Are you going to test my strength there or what?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, shit, that's easy. Alright guys, so here we're unpacking it. Damn, the package is so big, huh?
Yep.
There's the Borla Atak right there.
Oh, nice. This one is already come with this. We just gotta put the actuators in this one. You don't have to do nothing.
Really?
Nah. Pretty good.
Now, is it going to be a remote or it's going to be like?
No, we
like when I put it in sport or something, it opens it up.
Yep. Very nice, man.
Then this goes next.
Yeah, no, that's the one. This is the first one.
Alright guys, here we are with Melvin. We got the exhaust set up right now. This is how it looks. So these are going to open and close?
Yeah, we just got to put the actuators from the stock exhaust to this one.
Okay, so you just got to put the actuators, and this is what it looks like. So we're getting rid of the old and putting on the new. And these are going to, so you're going to weld these onto the factory originals or?
Oh, everything comes with clamps.
So it's just plug and play?
Yeah.
It's just bolts?
Pretty much.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome.
All the clamps, they just...
So no cutting then, you're just...
No.
Alright, perfect.
Like,
so they're just all the clamps?
instructions right here, clamps.
Okay.
This is just track.
So pretty straightforward then.
Yeah.
So it's just plug and play. Man, you know how excited I am? Alright guys, I'm gonna do, it's kind of a warm start on the Challenger. Alright, we're gonna hear a rev before and after, guys. Perfect. Alright guys, so she is up on the lift. That is the full stock exhaust system right there. Alright. Is it pretty straightforward install or is it awkward?
Bolt everything else back on.
Okay. So the full exhaust is out, guys. Oh, that's good they label it for you and everything. So all that's left is the tips and then the clamps and just to check for leaks.
And then turn it on. See how
Oh shit. Oh, I can't curse, they'll demonetize me. Can you believe that? I say, and you know, Irish people, we curse like it's nothing.
natural.
That looks bad. And I really appreciate you guys have been so awesome so far. so I appreciate it.
No need, no need.
It looks a lot better than the old one, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's like when a girl doesn't have makeup on and then when she puts makeup on. You know, I have no idea what to expect, to be honest. I have no idea. Cause videos don't do sound justice, you know? This is awesome though. But man, those tires are fat in the rear. Fuck. So guys, right now we're just getting the exhaust tips adjusted so that way they're not sticking out like rocket launchers and they're nice and flush with the rear bumper. Just look how sick that looks though. Oh man, I have no idea what to expect, but it's gonna be better than before, let's just say that. Alright lads, we're gonna hear the start up. Are you gonna let me do the honors? Got the keys right here. Of course, gotta represent. Oh shit. Oh my god. That's nasty. Fucking hell. That sounds so, oh man. Oh my god. That's nasty. That sounds so nasty. So here's the old exhaust, and there's the brand new exhaust. Shout out to Full Blown Performance. Lads, I couldn't ask for a more professional shop. The guys are awesome, friendly, talkative, and the work is perfect. Oh, that shit's so fucking loud. I appreciate you, Melvin, thank you. Oh, that shit sounds nasty. Oh, yeah, I'm on your way.